as Nigerians, Africans, the system we were taught was to go to school, okay, study hard, come up with a good grade, get a good job, get married, and retire. But the truth is, we were not taught that there is a phase of life after retirement. And this is where life actually begins. Okay? What I realized after working for close to 2 decades of my life is this. Look, the whole essence of this work thing, our job, is to help us build, okay, prepare ourselves for the next phase of life. It is not retirement per se, but it is that season where we got to live our purpose. Okay, but it depends on the plan that you have in place, where you are free to make choices, free to do those things that you've always loved to do. Maybe you want to give to orphanages, maybe you want to be a speaker. I'm just giving you mine when I get to that phase of retirement. It's another phase. However, you must prepare for it. Okay? And preparing for it entails that you take a portion of what you are currently earning from your job and you are putting it. You are building an investment portfolio. This portfolio will become big over time, sufficient enough to generate money passively. It will generate revenue or income passively without you necessarily going to the work. But you've invested in investment vehicles such as mutual funds. Okay, it could be in the stock market. It could be in ETFs. Okay, it could be in equity and their likes. Okay, so you are, throughout your years of working, you are putting 20 or more % of your money in this investment portfolio. So that at retirement, okay, this portfolio is big enough to churn out, okay, all the money, the resources, the income that you need to take care or to fund your lifestyle. This is what it means to be financially free, where you live a life of choice. You do things by choice, and you get to live your purpose, where you thrive in your purpose. It's not about buying cars to show off. It's not about buying clothes to show off. It's not about building houses to show off. But it is about, okay, living life to fulfill your purpose, to thrive in your purpose. I hope this adds value in your life. Cheers. Follow me for more.